Welcome to another Recraft tutorial. This time we will explore the new brush tool in a creative way. So let's dive in. The brush tool is accessible in the top bar. It's a simple tool that allows us to draw on the canvas. We can also erase, change the color, and the size of the brush. In this tutorial, we will use the brush tool to change the color of the table from red to yellow. We can be as detailed as we want. In this case, we will simply paint the table yellow and add a shadow of the flask. The next step is to convert the drawing objects into a raster image by selecting all and merging them. Now we will convert the raster image into a vector image. To do that, double-click the new vector image, select Swatches, select one of the colors, and change the value of the alpha channel. This will help us mimic the texture of the red table onto the yellow table. Now that we have finished the drawing part, select all and merge the layers. If needed, adjust the edges by cropping them. Once everything is prepared, select the Fine-Tune tab, crank the similarity slider all the way up, change the prompt accordingly, and click Recraft. I hope you enjoy this workflow. See you in the next one.